Good morning students. Today in this module we are going to discuss about parts of a computer. Dear students, a computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. All these parts are connected by wires. Let us learn about these parts one by one. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It can display words, images and videos. A monitor is also called a visual display unit, VDU. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit is inside the CPU cabinet. It controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Pressing these keys help us to type words and numbers on a computer. Mouse. A mouse helps to point, move and select an object on the monitor. A computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is also used to play games and draw pictures. Apart from the four main parts, a computer also has some additional parts. These are separately connected to the CPU through wires. Printer. Students, a printer is used to print a copy of the information stored in a computer on a sheet of paper. It can print both text and pictures. The printed copy is called a printout or a hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music, sound and other sound effects stored in a computer. Headphones and microphone. Headphones are used when a single person wants to hear the sound or music. They are plugged into the computer through wires or are wireless. A microphone is used to record different sounds and your voice into a computer. UPS. Students, UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. A UPS keeps a computer running for a short time even after a power cut. A UPS is used only with desktop computers. Hard disk. Whatever you save in a computer, it gets automatically stored in its hard disk. A hard disk is like a small box inside the CPU cabinet. A hard disk can store a large amount of data. Students, CD, DVD and pen drive. CD stands for compact disc. DVD stands for digital versatile disc. CD, DVD and pen drives are used to store a lot of information. These devices are also used to transfer data from one computer to another. These devices are easy to carry due to their small size. Pen drive is a very small device. It is also known as flash drive. So, in this module, we have understood the concept of parts of a computer. Thanks for watching.